What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are excited to see more of the golf cart build with Skylar on the Nokins golf cart rear seat kit. Yay! For President's Temple and onward. Look at that, guys. Has all these neat little brackets. This should be a pretty simple install, honestly. On the last video that you guys seen, we ended up doing a Nokins lift kit 6-inch with Nokins 14-inch wheels, 23-inch tall tires, freaking headlight kit. We got the club car emblem here, and obviously there are RGB light up seat covers. Sky is super excited, aren't you, buddy?
Yippee!
Oh my god. All right, guys, let's get started. Let's start unpacking what we got here. Step number 1, make your kid do it. This is working out great. Good job. All right, as he's taking this top part all apart, you got a few 8mm bolts here on the President. This entire piece comes off. There is some seats that actually, and it's always good to take the roof off too, honestly, or prop it up with a, you got to disconnect it up here and prop it up with a umbrella or a broom or whatever. Regardless, not an umbrella, I'm an idiot. There's some back seats for the club car President that utilize this and stick out really, really far and give you really low like leg room, footwell room, whatever you want to call it. The beautiful thing about the Nokins rear seat for the club car President, all this goes bye-bye. That whole shebanger goes bye-bye. You have a real nice plastic footwell, which is not really heavy, which is good. I know I had an Easy Go before and it had a metal one. I kind of like this plastic one, to be honest. We have new posts. We have parts everywhere, honestly. We have new posts that replace those posts right there. So these will replace that. That's where the roof will attach into. This is our main seat component right here. Let's walk over here. We got more parts. We have a bag of bolts. And I mean, they make it very convenient because Nokins will label everything. Side armrest, footrest, bracket, footrest. And it gives you all the sizes, nylock nuts. Very, very nice. Listen, I gotta tell you guys, this company is amazing when it comes to like giving you everything you need to put a golf cart together. There's no like, you know, expense spared on their parts, their quality. Everything that I've added to this cart up until this point, including this rear seat, which I'm already anticipating, is very, very amazing stuff. So we ended up going for the angled armrest posts. And I think this is our backrest. I'm not sure, for the back seat and all stuff. Well, listen, we'll figure it out as we go along in the video here and start taking things apart and yada, yada, yada. Yeah, it's a screw. Like the screw's loose now. Unbelievable. Okay, guys, we're going to get this piece off and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we got the main housing off here.
I can stick weld.
He can stick weld now. This is what's underneath the skeletonized setup. But we have all kinds of cool stuff. I just found a battery.
The whole box of
we have a box of, stop putting it down there. So obviously when you do this, you're gonna find all kinds of crazy cool shit as we just have. So we're gonna have to lift this up carefully, that way nothing falls down. And oh no, this stays. We're gonna clean all this off. Probably go get a box. Here's a box. Use that box, clean all that up. Do it now. All right, guys, so we got some of the actual frame of the rear seat together. It's still loose. They basically tell you not to tighten anything up in the instructions until everything's together. We're getting ready to put, I think, our footwell brackets in place, and then our back seat brackets, front seat bracket, all that fun jazz should be going on soon after. So we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna get the cushions on. We're gonna make it look nice, and then we're gonna be back and we're gonna show you what it looks like. All right, guys, so there is one thing I need to point out on this Nokins rear seat kit is if you see on here, for example, we're on step 12. And you're probably thinking to yourself, how do you know where all these bolts go and where they need to be? Well, they've been so kind to put step 12 right on the package, so you know exactly what bolts you need during your installation. So it makes it super, super convenient. You almost don't even need instructions. I mean, you kind of do need instructions, you know, to compare everything. But yeah, that's pretty cool, guys. Like, who thinks of that, to put the step on the packet of bolts that you're working on? That's pretty neat. Let's keep going. So we got the roof on. We actually painted it, and it's nice and black now. We need to touch it up a little bit so it's not too crazy. We're getting kind of finished up here. We have the back seat on, backrest. We have the We're gonna put this seat on. Actually, this seat goes here. We're gonna put this seat on next, but eventually we're gonna take it back off. We're just gonna test fit it basically, just to, you know, end the video. Gotta show you this cool little feature with the Nokins rear seat. There's a bucket that will go in there that you can use as a cooler for beer, which is pretty freaking cool. All right, guys, well, we're just gonna keep going with the build. The next step, I think, is gonna be attaching our rear seat, or our front rear seat, our front backrest, back onto this bracket. So we attach these brackets. This takes over the back seats for your golf cart on this Nokins kit, which is pretty freaking nice. My battery died again, guys, so sorry about that. But anyways, the fuck was I even saying? I don't even know what I was saying, guys, because I had to change the battery out. It's okay, I'm charging them. Okay, I'm charging the batteries again. God, stop bitching. Well, anyways, yeah, we're just gonna put the back seat on and we're gonna get things together. And hopefully the next time you see this cart, it's gonna be outside with all the bells and whistles and lights on in this video. So stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, it's a few days later. It took us a few days to like get everything situated with the golf cart. It took a little time. Everything's together. This is basically like the final reveal. I have Sky here. He's super excited. He actually just got done cleaning the golf cart. It was a little dusty from riding around and make sure everything's working correctly and stuff like that. Stay tuned, because I'm going to make a totally separate video with all the lights on and everything active on the golf cart. Maybe one of you out there might have a seizure, I don't know, so be careful with that video. So that might be one of the next videos coming up, possibly, is just a big reveal on the nighttime light up, the RGB of the Nokins, you know, golf cart seats, the RGB headlight setup that I have, which I made a previous video on, and the RGB front plate setup as well. Then I have a few pictures on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, go follow me on Instagram over there to see some, you know, pre-pics of the golf cart and some other stuff that I put up there as well. But you guys are about to see the coolest golf cart in the world. 3, 2, 1. There she is, guys. There she is. This thing is freaking amazing. Thanks to Sky for helping me build her. It's been an awesome little time, me and you building golf carts. Freaking check it out. Got the wrap done in the back, as you guys can see. Not the best wrap, like I said about the front. Not very experienced in wrapping golf carts or anything of that nature, but it doesn't look too shabby. Does not look too shabby. Look at that. That is really, really nice. Got the full lift kit done on the entire golf cart. So we have the entire lift kit done. We have the back seat on. We have the Nokins seat covers that are RGB. We're going to show you that, like I said, in a later video. You'll see what that looks like. But let's look at the back seat a little bit here and explain all that cool goodness. All right, as you guys can see, the entire back seat is finished, all done. I have my Nokins rear seats covers all installed. Got all my wiring done. I have them going around here. That way there's no pinch points when I flip the seat over. You want to show them, Sky? There we go. So if I'm using it to haul something, I won't pinch any of these wires here, which are kind of very important. I got them routed down. They go down into the body here, underneath, all tie wrapped, and then come in through the bottom. Do not mind the mess down there. But here's my switches. I have 2 switches for my RGB covers, which you'll see later on in the video. Turning them on. I got to tidy that up a little bit, so don't shun me for that. We got the back all done. Those are running down the side, tie wrapped and everything. And then obviously we're going to be getting the, I don't know if I mentioned this in a previous video or in this video, but we're going to be getting the little cooler that goes back here as well. And I'm probably going to, if it doesn't come with a drain, I'm probably going to put a drain down there to drain out any ice or liquid and stuff that gets stuck in there. Flip her back up again. I have to say, guys, oh, I almost forgot. These guys, diamond stitched white piping cup holders for the armrests, which matches the seat. I mean, Nokins really does make an amazing product that that matches. You can get all this stuff matching, which is really, really freaking cool and really, really nice. But they make a great product. Like this seat is like really, really freaking good. What do you think?
Nice.
He's like, oh, whatever, I don't care, I just got done working on it. As you can see, for the armrests here, they have these nice L brackets, so you can lean on them pretty good. They're pretty sturdy and strong. You're not going to have any issues with them flopping around. Little drain hole at the bottom of the cup holder in case you have a cold drink in there and it's leaking, it doesn't fill this up. And they also are removable, as Skylar has now shown us. But there you go, guys. The 2006 Club Car President is 100% completely finished. I have one little piece that's going to cover this back bumper up. That's going to be, I probably won't even make a video about that. It's just a Amazon piece that's like diamond plate. I'm gonna get it powder coated black over at Gentek. Since we're doing powder coating over there now, that's going to be really awesome to do. So I'm going to have that powder coated black so it matches the rest of the dark golf cart. But there she is, guys. Freaking awesome, freaking awesome. Let's look at the front a little bit here. You can see some of the, look at that. That wrap is amazing, guys. It is an amazing wrap. And I'm not even that good at wrapping, but it's really cool. It's really freaking cool, guys. All right, guys, there you have it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have a golf cart and you want some cool freaking products, hit up Nokins Golf Cart Parts. Link will be in the description below, as per always. Go check them guys out, man. It's freaking awesome. We have a few more upgrades coming for the golf cart here that are going to be pretty cool too. I mentioned in one of my previous videos, SilverWolf maybe, I don't know. But that'll be a cool video to see too, guys. But other than that, we're going to hit the road and go enjoy this golf cart a little bit, right, Sky?
Yeah.
Deuces, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share, whatever you want to do. I hope you do. I don't know.